Welcome back to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into the fascinating journey of tea from the plant to your cup. It all starts with the Camellia sinensis plant, where lush green leaves are carefully plucked by skilled hands. These fresh leaves are then spread out to wither, losing moisture and becoming more pliable. Next, the leaves are rolled to release their essential oils, a crucial step for flavor development. Depending on the type of tea, black, green, oolong, or white, the leaves undergo varying levels of oxidation or fermentation. Finally, the leaves are dried, sorted, and packaged, ready to embark on their final journey to your teapot. Brewing a perfect cup of tea involves precise temperatures and steeping times, unlocking the full spectrum of flavors and aromas. From leaf to cup, every step is a testament to the art and science of tea. Thanks for joining us on Tea and Coffee Explorers. Discover the best coffee and tea making essentials through our affiliate links, handpicked just for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more journeys through the world of tea and coffee. Happy sipping!